Final part of this I'm going to do is one, so the mail merge and also the presentation, which is sort of bundled together into one thing. Mail merge is relatively simple, but it is new to the course. It's only been there for a year, so they're very fond of it. It will come up every time. Good thing is, there's not a whole lot they can really ask you about it, so that is nice. So we are using checklist.rtf and the CSV file as a source file. So first of all, open checklist, which is down here, and there we go. So the date, you want to replace this with you want to insert quick part, and it needs to be a field like we did in the first question. It's going to be a date field. Is there any marks for formatting? So it's date A, month, year. In our date field, we can manually do that. So there already, but just to brute force it. Year. We don't have to worry about fancy calendars. There we go. When we put in the field code, you'll be able to see that properly. We then want to link the source files and add the merge fields in correctly. So, it's a mailing. We want to select two recipients and use an existing list. That list will come from the files that we were given earlier. So IGCSE, PPT, winter source files, and it is contacts, I believe. New staff. Open that one. Okay, that's fine. Yep. Yeah. Sorry, my word set up weird. I had a problem with something earlier, so you won't get all those menus. Right. Our first name should be a merge field. Oops. Here a nice problem with my Microsoft Word. Sorry, so use an existing list. This time, sorry. Again, this is a problem that is on my computer and my computer alone, your computer. But I promise we won't do this. New stuff. One of these should be CSV file. Oh well. It's comma separated. I guess I put the merge that in. Okay, so first name. Last name. Be sure to include the spaces between these things. And always double check they're there when you finish. Otherwise it all goes a bit weird. You want to message your line manager. Start date. Working in our department. Okay. Work. Obviously long. Information is obviously long. etc. Okay, so this is a mess. Just want to show your date field and the field codes. You want to insert the logo so that it fits in the appropriate place. I'm going to go with up at the top. So we'll get a picture from the files. Nope, not 11. IGCSE, PPT, source files, logo. We want to make this outline. But the text shouldn't be. tab here should be left aligned. Okay. Right. The image is supposed to be resized to a width of 4 centimeters. If we manually resize the width, the rest of it should follow. So the height, width should be 4 cm, and the whole thing should resize itself. It's going to be funny about alignment. So if you put it behind text, you can just manually place it. As long as it matches the borders and stuff, that's okay. As for this retained image does not overlap in the document, save within the master document and then generate the merge fields. Should enter the name, number, and so you want to select only the people who need to do the induction course. We're going to look at our mailing list, and you are going to edit the recipient list, filtering people who are doing only the induction course. So filter where course is equal to induction. And you're going to screenshot this list to show you filtered to those 3 people. So you see in this next method, you print the merge documents only. And you name the stuff on it, and that's fine. I'm not going to bother with the naming. Trying to get to the end of this. So in terms of valuing the document, basically you can see that it uses Comic Sans, which is a fault in itself. It's inconsistent, stuff to different sizes and shapes. So it looks unprofessional. Oh, sorry, I missed some field codes there. That's been stupid. Getting sorry. Okay. So yeah, basically you want to point out that it's inconsistent, which makes it look unprofessional. It doesn't follow the house style that's set up in the other documents. Some fields are highlighted, some aren't. And you need to talk about the intended audience. So typically your intended audience is going to be employees of the company. So having this unprofessional layout is not suitable because it won't make the company look official, and it's just unreliable. Yeah, just doesn't paint a very good picture of the company. So you point out what's wrong with it, you point out how that affects the audience, and then you state how you could improve it. And then you would save that and done. Okay, finally, I'm going to be creating a PowerPoint or other presentation if you do not use PowerPoint. We can delete the first slide. Oh, and get a new slide from an outline. Our outline again is in the same place as every other file. So IGCSE, paperback 2, source files are 2. And we will put in the file we need is gem.rtf. Okay, so we want to create a master slide that has a plain white background. Okay, we'll do that now. So let's do this. View, and view the slide master. So it's a 3-4 point horizontal line across the width of the slide, about 3-4 centimeters in the top. Shapes, insert a line. Format the shape. And we can increase the weight to 3 or 4 points. Centimeters, so that'd be about right. To add a health club in black italic, 36 points, set of font. Above the line, line to the top right of this slide doesn't work. So insert, text box, 36 point. Set of fonts, so Times New Roman or similar. Ta-da! Your name center mechanic up in the bottom right corner, 18-point font. Sorry, it said top left, didn't it? So that would be an 18-point font. Center number, candidate number. There's a number. Okay, so oops, sorry. Kevin GH center number. Automatic slide in the bottom left corner. Put this down. Again, the same text box. We want to insert. So where is it? Insert slide number. First level bullets with 24-point italic font, then arrow shaped bullet point. So it should be 24-point italic font. Under bullet style should be arrow shaped. And finally, apply the elements to all slides, so it should happen already. If we close the master slide, that should work. So you'd evidence this to show that you've done it. Sorry, view, get to normal. You see it's on every page. So the first slide should be a title and a layout slide, so you want to change this to this. And so I create a graph to display. Okay. So it is the total members. And you want to show the total members membership types. You can highlight all of this, not including those. And insert chart. Paste that chart there. So you want to make sure the chart has the proper titles. Sorry. My Excel is not weird. The title's supposed to read total club members. The series label should be displayed in full. The axis title should be there. On the axis, these axis option. I always forget to do these bits, unfortunately. Oh, it's in. Yeah. Axis titles. So this is type of member. Member. This is number of members. Rotated or vertical, however. Number of people. That displays how many people of each membership type are there. Oh, it's just number, sorry. I did that, I didn't read the text. So you want to number per type. Sorry, rookie mistake. Need to leave the question fully. No legend, that's fine. Please start at the left the bullet points and the slide club membership. So we can copy this. Paste it in here. To show our members. Oh, to the left of the bullets. My mistake. There we go. Oh, the legend is there, we can delete that. So you want to make sure you're reading the questions, which I am not, because I just want to finish this now. You want to save the presentation and print all the 6 slides. Nothing overlaps. It does look horrible, but that's generally the way of these things. And then print only the slide, the title club membership as a single full slide which fills the page. So the first print out is just your standard printout, where you file print, and you want to print no selection, 6 slides per page or whatever. And the second one, only the club membership ones, you print. Sorry. Full page slides, and you pick the one you need. So it's 2. Membership, yeah. So you just put page 2 alone. And finally, you need to print your evidence document, which is all very straightforward. And that is the size of that one. I will do the paper 3 version of this on tomorrow, and on the Saturday and Sunday I will upload the other summer one and also the March one. And if you need anything else, please let me know, and I will try and get that done as well. Thank you very much.